Welcome back to Whatever Garage. Today, I'm going to show you the difference between cheap-ass camera, really good camera, and really good cell phone. Right now. Now, just to show you the difference between the two cameras, this is my GoPro Hero 9. Much better picture, I do believe. So, let's continue on. Well, since we tested the other two cameras for quality, this is my phone. It's a Google Pixel Pro 7, or 7 Pro, however the hell you say it. Any better? Let's get started. Now for all my Corvette guys, you'll notice she's up on ramps. We're getting ready to do some work to her. What that work is, you'll find out in the next video. But you gotta come back and watch it. All right, well that'll do it for this episode of Whatever Garage. I hope you enjoyed the little cruise. Nothing too serious, because remember, we still gotta replace the U-joints on the drive shaft before we decide to get on it again, just to be safe. So all my Corvette guys, I need you to come back, man. Y'all haven't been watching anything other than my Corvette stuff. Come on, I know you gotta have some other interest. 56 Chevys, come on, those are cool. Come on back. So anyway, this has been Whatever Garage. Out.